Hello mga ka-alien! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir DL and welcome to The Aliens Vlog. Again, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta po sa aking mga video tutorial, sa mga YouTube videos ko po. Thank you for watching everyone and I hope that you are learning something from me. Ngayon po, we will be having another math tutorial and it is all about arithmetic sequence. Okay, watch this. I know all of you are excited to study. Let's discuss arithmetic sequence. What is arithmetic sequence? Before that, let's try to state the objectives of the lesson. Number 1, discuss arithmetic sequence. Number 2, solve for the common difference and nth term. Number 3, explain the importance of arithmetic sequence. Before we start our main lesson, I would like to remind everyone with this quotation. Always remember, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Again, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. What is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence, it is a list of numbers with a definite pattern. A sequence of numbers such that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant, also known as the common difference. There are formulas to be remembered in solving arithmetic sequence. So in finding the nth term, here is our formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common difference between terms. In finding the position of the term, this will be the formula. N is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over d plus 1. Where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common difference or common terms between terms. In finding the first term, the formula will be a sub 1 is equal to a sub n minus the quantity of n minus d multiplied by d, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common terms or common difference between terms. In finding the difference of the term, here's the formula. A sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1, where a sub n is the nth term of the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common terms between terms. So those are the formulas that we are going to use in order for us to solve the problems or the following examples on the next slides. Let's now try to solve the following examples. Example of arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15. Find the 15th term. It means we are looking for the 15th term. That's why we will be using our formula. This formula will be a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. What is the value of a sub 1 or what is the first term? The first term is 3. Very good. What is the value of n? We are looking for the 15th term. That's why the value for n is 15. What will be the value for d? For d or the common difference. As we can see, you have 3, 7, 11, 15. Common difference is the difference between the two consecutive terms. Let's try to check. What is 7 minus 3? The answer is 4. Very good. 11 minus 7, 4. 15 minus 11, 4. Therefore, the common difference is 4. Very good. After we get the values of a sub 1 and the difference, we will now be substituting the given values on the given formula. Here it goes. A sub 15 is equal to 3, that is the first term, plus 15, that is n, and 4 is the common difference. First step, minus 15 minus 1, the answer will be 14. Very good. Then copy 4, bring down 3. The next pattern or the next process, that is multiply. 14 multiplied by 4, that is 56. Then the last process will be adding. So 3 plus 56, that is 59. It means the 15th term is 59. The first process in finding the term, we Minus first, 15 minus 1, that's 14. Then we multiply 4 times 14, that's 56. Then 56 plus 3, that is 59. So our 15th term on the given sequence is 59. I hope you followed. Next example. Given the example 1, 6, 11, 16, let's find the 20th term. So we will be using the same formula that we used a while ago. That is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d in looking for the 20th term. What are the given? What is a sub 1? A sub 1 is? Very good, 1. That is the first term. Next, what is the value of n? That is, we are looking for the 20th term. That's why the value for n is 20. What is the common difference? Let's try to check two consecutive terms and let's try to check their differences. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 11 minus 6, that is 5. 16 minus 11, that is 5. Very good. So our common difference will be 5. Very good. After we got all the values that we need, we can now substitute the values on the given formula. Here it goes. A sub 20 is equal to 1, which is the first term. 20 is the number of term. 5 is the common difference. What is our first step in solving the value of a sub 20? We will be, very good, subtracting minus 20 minus 1. That is 19. We have 5 and 1. So our next process will be multiply. Very good. 19 times 5, that is 95. The last process, 95 plus 1, that will be 96. That means our a sub 20 is 96. I hope you got it. Let's try to have another example here. 4, 15, 26, 37. Find the 17th term. So we will be using the same formula that we used a while ago. That is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Let's try to find the values that we need. A sub 1 is 4. That is the first term. What's the value of n? Very good. That's 17 because we are finding the 17th term. What is the common difference? The common difference is the difference between the two consecutive terms. The common difference is the difference between the two consecutive terms. So we can start from 37 minus 26. You just need to find two consecutive terms and you can subtract them. 37 minus 26, that is 11. Very good. 26 minus 15, that is 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. That's why it is common difference. Let's now try to substitute the given values on the given formula. So a sub 17 is equal to 4 plus 17 minus 1 multiplied by 11. Let's try to repeat what we did a while ago. First step, we minus 17 minus 1. That is 16. So 4 plus 16 multiplied by 11. The next process, we multiply. Very good. So 16 multiplied by 11, that is 176. What is our last step? Siyempre, wala namang iba. We add. So 4 plus 176, the answer will be 180. That means the 17th term of the arithmetic sequence 4, 15, 26, 37 is 180. Did you get it? I hope so. Let's try to have more examples in order for you to understand it more. We have 30, 24, 18. By the way, I have a tip for you. If you see that our pattern or if you see that our arithmetic sequence is going higher, that means our common difference is always positive. Always remember that. If the value of the arithmetic sequence is increasing, that means our common difference is positive. If the arithmetic sequence decreases, that means our common difference is negative. Always remember that. Do not forget that tip from me. So let's try to solve this one. 30, 24, 18. Find the 12th term. As you can see, our arithmetic sequence decreases. Therefore, our common difference must be Very good, must be negative. So we will be using the same formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub 1 is, the first term will be 30, very good. Value of n, 12, very good. Common difference, we need to check two consecutive terms and subtract them. 18 minus 24. We start from right to left in subtracting. 18 minus 24, that is negative 6. Very good. 24 minus 30, that is 24 minus 30, that is negative 6. Very good. We now have the values that we need, so we can now apply and try to substitute the values on the given formula. And here it goes. It will be, first term is 30 plus n is 12 minus 1 and times the common difference, that is negative 6. What is our first step again? Very good, we minus or we subtract. So 12 minus 1, that is 11, that's 30, then negative 6. After subtracting, the other one is we multiply. Very good. So 11 multiplied by negative 6, that is negative 66. How about the last process? We add 30 plus negative 66. We are just adding integers. That means our answer is negative 36 because we have dissimilar terms. That is, dissimilar in terms of signs. They are not the same in terms of signs. That's why we subtract them and we follow the value. We follow the number of who has the higher absolute value. That's why the answer is negative 36. Let's now try to solve other problems. Given a sub n is equal to 19, a sub 1 is equal to 1, d is equal to 2. On this given, n is missing. That's why we are finding the position of the term. Inahanap po natin kung ano po ang posisyon, ano pong place ang 19 sa given arithmetic sequence. Meron po tayong a sub 1, that is 1. Pang ilang term ang 19? That is the question over there. Find the position of the term. The formula to be used is n is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over d plus 1, where a sub n is 19, a sub 1 is 1, the common difference is 2 plus 1. What is our first process? We subtract 19 minus 1, that is 18. So we subtract first 19 minus 1, that's 18. The next process, we divide 18 divided by 2, that is 9. We bring down 1. And the last step, obviously, is add. So n is equal to 10. That means a sub 10 is 19. The 10th term is 19. That is the place of 19 on the given arithmetic sequence. It's on the 10th term. Another example, a sub n is 83, a sub 1 is 5, difference is 3. What is the position of the term? Ano ang place, ano ang position ng 83 on the given arithmetic sequence? So, given formula a sub n minus a sub 1 over d plus 1, where a sub n is 83, a sub 1 is 5, and d is 3. So, substitute the given on the given formula. So, first process, just like what we did a while ago, subtract. So, 83 minus 5, that is 78. Then, we divide. 78 divided by 3, that is 26. After we divide, we will be adding, and that is the last 27. It means that 83 belongs to the 27th term. A sub 27 is 83. Let's try another problem. Given a sub n is negative 50, a sub 1 is 5, d is negative 5. We will be using the formula, because the same formula that we used a while ago, because we need to find the position of the term. N is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over d plus 1, where a sub n is negative 50, a sub 1 is 5, and d is negative 5. Let's substitute the given on the given formula. Negative 50 minus 5 over negative 5 plus 1. The first process is to subtract. So negative 50 minus 5, that is negative 55. After that, we divide. Very good. So negative 55 over negative 5, that is 11. After we divide, we add. Very good. So the answer will be 12. So a sub 12 is negative 50. The place of negative 50 on the given arithmetic sequence, that is 12. Or on the base on the given is 12. Given a sub n is negative 30, a sub 1 is 18, d is negative 6. Let's find the position of the term. We will be using the same formula, a sub n minus a sub 1 over d plus 1, where a sub n is negative 30, a sub 1 is 18, and negative 6 is the common difference. Substitute the given formula, then same process, we subtract. Negative 30 minus 18, that is negative 48. After that, we divide. Negative 48 divided by 6, that is 8. Negative 48 divided by 6, that is 8. Then we add. So the ninth term of the given is negative 30. That means the place of negative 30 on the sequence is ninth place or ninth term. Let's now try to solve another problem. Given a sub n is 40, n is 5, d is 8. Oh, a sub 1 is missing. That means we are going to find the first term based on the given example. What is the first term of the sequence based on the given? So we need to find the first term, and the formula to be used is a sub 1 is equal to a sub n minus n, or the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub n is 40, then n is 5, d is 8. That is 40 minus the quantity of 5 minus 1 multiplied by 8. So what is the first term based on the given sequence? The first process will be subtract. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. Very good. Next, we multiply 4 times 8. That is 32. 4 times 8, that's 32. And the last process will be subtract. Very good. So 40 minus 32 is, a sub 1 is equal to 8. That means the first term of the given sequence is 8. The first term based on the given is 8. Another problem. A sub n is 39, n is 12, d is 3. We are still looking for the a sub 1 or the first term. Find the first term. The formula is a sub 1 is equal to a sub n minus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d, where a sub n is 39, n is 12, and d is 3. We substitute the given on the given formula. So we subtract. That's the first process. 12 minus 1, that is 11. 11 multiplied by 3, that is the next process, multiply. 11 times 3, that is 33. And the last process is subtract. 39 minus 36 is 6. That means the first term of the given arithmetic sequence is 6. The other one, given negative 54, n is 12, d is negative 3. Find the first term. A sub 1 is equal to a sub n minus 1 multiplied by d, wherein a sub n is negative 54, n is 12, and d is negative 3. The first process is subtract. So 12 minus 1, that is 11. The next process, we multiply. 11 multiplied by negative 3, that is positive negative 11 times negative 3, that is positive 33, I'm sorry. So the last part is subtract. That is negative 54 plus 33, that is negative 21. The first term of the given sequence is negative 21. Let's have another example. A sub n is equal to negative 100. N is 24, d is negative 4. Let's find the first term. So we are going to use the same formula. A sub 1 is equal to a sub n minus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by d. So let's substitute where a sub n is negative 100, n is 24, n is 24, negative 4 is the difference. First step, subtract. 24 minus 1, that's 23. Next step, 23 multiplied by negative 23 multiplied by 4, that is 92. So the last part will be subtracting. Negative 100 plus 92, that is negative 8. That means the first term of the given sequence is negative 8. I hope you are following. I hope you were able to catch up with our lesson. Let's try to solve another problem. Given a sub n is 45, a sub 1 is 3, n is 15. So what is missing on this part? So we are looking for the value of d, that is the common difference. Since d is missing, the formula will be a sub n, d is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1, where a sub n is 45, a sub 1 is 3, and n is 15. That is 45 minus 3 over 15 minus 1. First process, subtract. 45 minus 3, that is 42. 15 minus 1, that is 14. As simple as that. We subtract. 45 minus 3, 42. 15 minus 1, it's 14. We divide. The last process, divide. 42 divided by 14, the answer will be 3. So the common difference of the given arithmetic sequence is 3. Next example. A sub n is 120, a sub 1 is 12, n is 10. So we are going to look for the same one, common difference. Our formula is the same. D is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1. So we will be substituting the given. A sub n is 120, a sub 1 is 12, n is 10. We have only two processes. The first one is subtract. 120 minus 12, that's 108. 10 minus 1, that is 9. So 108 and 9. And the last process is divide. D is 12. The common difference of the given arithmetic sequence is 12, based on the given. The next process, or the next example. A sub n is negative 36, a sub 1 is 6, n is 15. What is the common difference? Same formula. D is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1, where a sub n is negative 36, a sub 1 is 6, and n is 15. So we have the same process, that is subtract. So negative 36 minus 6, that is negative 42. 15 minus 1, that is 14. Negative 36 minus 6, that is negative 42. 15 minus 1 is 14. So our next process will be divide. Negative 42 divided by 14, the answer is negative 3. That means our common difference is negative 3 based on the given a sub n, a sub 1, and n. Let's try to have another problem. A sub n is negative 50, a sub 1 is 2, and n is 27. So we are going to look for the common difference, and the formula will be d is equal to a sub n minus a sub 1 over n minus 1, where a sub n is negative 50, a sub 1 is 2, and 27 is n. So the first process, negative 50 minus 2, that's subtract. 27 minus 1, negative 50 minus 2 is negative 52. 27 minus 1, that is 26. And the last process is divide. Negative 52 divided by 26, that is negative 2. So the common difference of the given problem, of the given arithmetic sequence problem, that is negative 2. And I think that is the last example that we have for today. I hope you learned something from our discussion. I hope you were able to catch up the lesson, and thank you for watching, everyone. May the Lord bless you. Always remember that mathematics will always remind us that in every problem there's a solution. Always remember, mathematics will always remind us that in every problem there is a solution. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless you. Always remember that God loves you.